How to print your design on 3D printer. You must have a model first, then save as your model STL file. Open your STL file with Kujja program. Clear platform, load model file, then select your STL file. Wait a moment. Your model already open. I use Ada4 machine, and I will show to you my machine. Overall dimension 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. You can't print larger model than your bed, so you must scale down your model. You can rotate your model up to you. Wait, you can see the massive filament and processing time to build your model. You can show layer for Imagine. Then print your model. If you want to see G-code, you can select Start and G-code. The last, check your G-code. Thank you for watching.